Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the last trading day of the week, 14th of Jan 2021 and Blessing Friday, and we are looking forward to relaxing weekend. We had an amazing trade this week. Even today we had amazing volatility and most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyzed today and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, as you have seen all my previous analyses, we were long this week, beginning of this week, and we have taken all these trades. Today, as you can see here, we have the confirmation double top, and as soon as the price broken the previous low, we have taken a short trade here and explained to my trader, just keep taking all these pullback. As soon as the price hit to the big psychological number 140,000 level at the major support level, explained to my trader it's time to close profit before the market close. So we had an amazing trade. Let me share with you the intraday, how I analyze the entries in intraday and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit, especially on EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Okay, so we were long, as you can see here. Rest of the week bank beautiful pips. Today price developed sideways market, so explain to once we had the confirmation about double top, we have this previous low is broken, as you can see in intraday, and even in 4 hour. After that, momentum developed bearish, and explain to my trader keep taking a pullbacks on every time when the price develop pullback, just keep taking it. If you miss this one, we had amazing trade. Most of the traders bank take an amazing profit on EURUSD. So let me share with you the pound dollar. We had amazing trade in pound dollar too. If you look at the 4 hour, we were long this week, bank beautiful pips, as exactly similar to the EURUSD. Price developed a double top, give us the confirmation of reversal. So we also had this long trade here, and then afterwards, as soon as the price hit to the previous high, explain to my trader, now the price developed sort of like a reversal pattern. If you look at this candle, is bullish bearish engulfing candle, and sort of like you can see here, sort of evening star type of candle pattern is developed. But more interesting part of this double top here, price broken the previous low, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. And as soon as the price hit to the support level, which you can see here, price nicely respected previously, explain to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. Let me share with you how I analyze in intraday. Okay, so in intraday, you can see here we had a very small long trade here yesterday, and afterwards today, once the price developed double top here, price developed sort of like you can say rising wedge sort of pattern or triangle pattern. We have the confirmation double top, price broken, and explain to my trader just keep taking a pullback short trade here. Even I updated this analysis just to make sure my trader to explain to take the maximum benefits of broken this previous low, and afterwards all pullbacks. If they miss this one, they can take this one, and all these trades are announced through live audio commentary. And at the New York session, explain to my trader if the price is going to break the previous low, just keep taking a breakout and pull back. You can see after breakout after one breakout, 1 2 3 pull back. As soon as the price hit to the blue fib channel, which is always the next fib channel, in 1 4 hour major support, explain to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see here amazing trade on pound dollar and dollar CAD. We had amazing trade. And if I show you the dollar CAD, if I show you the 4 hour chart, we were short beginning of the week. Once the major structure broken, we have free traffic and bank amazing profit. Once the price developed a bullish engulfing candle, and that's what I explained to my trader it's time to for reversal. So we have taken all this trade here, and we also have taken the short trade here, and then we have taken a long bank amazing profit. And as soon as the price hit to the support level, as you can see here, that will explain to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. All right, let me share with you the intraday, how I refine the entries to help my traders to bank some profit. And if you look at the reversal, we had this reversal from here. Once the price developed breakout, and that's what exactly from yesterday, this one breakout. And even I explain in more detail, as you can see, the price behavior and action, price action. Explain to my trader if the price gonna break this level and retest, then long here if the price does not respect this level. So what happened, this level exactly as explained here, that's the level. Price did not develop any pullback. We haven't seen any red candle. That was looking a first priority pullback. Price broken after the breakout, price retest. We announced through live audio commentary. It's time to enjoy long trade here, reversal. Momentum was bullish. So we have this one, we have this one. As soon as the price hit this level, explain to my trader it's time to bank some profit when the price hit this level. So at that time, I did another analysis. As you can see here, look for breakout, breakout, short trade, pullback, short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support level, bank few pippies, and afterwards explain to my trader there is a possibilities because we have the early sign, as you can see here, bullish engulfing candle, reversal candle. So I explained to my trader, looks like price might going to reverse, and if the price is going to develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, that's going to be interesting part of it. And that's explained to my trader, look for this breakout. We have this breakout, beautiful, and after this breakout we have another pullback. And at the New York session, I explained to my trader the price is broken the previous high as mentioned here in the live audio live analysis. Pullback, looking here, pullback at this level, this level, this level. That's the first priority with the pullback. So you can see here momentum was bullish. We have all these pullbacks we announced to traders just in case if they miss this one, they can join anytime, every time when there's a price developer pullback. So we had amazing journey on the dollar CAD. This week we had a short trade here, now we are long here, amazing profit. All right, so as you can see guys, I hope you're enjoying it, and let me share with you guys the whole journey because we are intraday. We had an amazing trade on Aussie dollar. We had both long and short, amazing trade guys. Let me share with you guys, if you look at all this analysis, okay, so you can see here, this is the pullback at this level. This is the pullback in intraday. Explain to my trader. Then afterwards, keep taking a pullback. We have taken all pullbacks. Today, once the price developed this pattern, explain to my trader if the price broken and if the price is going to retest and if the price is going to break long, otherwise short here. What happened here? Exactly, the price came back here at this level, broken. If you look at here, sort of a head and shoulder pattern, beautiful breakout, and we give them in more detail about the price action. Let me explain to you what I mean it. As you can see here at this level, explain to my trader, look for this level. If the price gonna break, then we're taking a short trade here. So we had such an amazing trade, short trade here, bang, beautiful pips. Once the price develop correction, explain to my trader, we have another opportunity is raising, momentum is bearish. At this level, beautiful breakout, another amazing trade here. As soon as the price hit to this support level, explain to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. As you can see guys, how we analyze the market in 4 hour, how we refine an entries and exit in intraday, that's what exactly we do every single day. I hope you enjoy all this analysis, but the most important part of is you should be watching those analyses in real time. That's the important part of it, and that's the interesting part of it. And the more interesting part of it, once you're going to bank profit in real time, and especially for those traders who are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where they can learn forex trading in real time through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, and I can also help you to get funded from platform. So if you are interested how I coach and train with the live market in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.